Good morning. It's Wednesday, 28th August 2024, and welcome to today's newspaper headlines. I'm Regina Bless, and I'll be bringing you the latest updates. In today's edition of Daily Guide, Bawumia commissions 10,000 YEA artisans. They will receive startup packs for business. The Informer, my record is superior, Bawumia jobs Mahama. The Ghanaian Publisher, 10,000 YEA artisans graduate. The Daily Dispatch, on Mahama's 24-hour economy, will workers leave work at 10 a.m. and come to Night Club? Night Club workers ask. The New Crusading Guide, another 10,000 YEA young game changers graduate after intensive skills training program.